In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix McDonald's app login works but payment fails. Let's get started. First, the most common reason is a bank or card issue. Even if your login works perfectly, your bank may block the transaction for security reasons. This can happen if the payment looks unusual, if international transactions are disabled, or if your card does not support online food ordering. Another big reason is insufficient balance or expired card details. It sounds simple, but many users forget to update expired cards or saved payment methods in the app. Go into your McDonald's payment settings, remove the old card, and re-add it with the correct details. Sometimes the issue comes from McDonald's app payment system itself. Even if login works, the payment gateway may be temporarily down or overloaded in your region. In that case, switching payment methods like trying another card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal if available can instantly solve the issue. You should also check your internet connection stability during checkout. If a connection drops even for a second while processing payment, the transaction may fail. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data might help. Another hidden reason is caused by VPN or location mismatch. If you are using a VPN or a device location does not match your selected McDonald's store region, the payment can be rejected for security reasons. Turn off VPN and ensure location services are enabled. If this solution didn't help, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. One of these solutions will fix your issue. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.